Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks as always for checking these out. It is much appreciated. Just a quick update for the £1,000 profit challenge. We're now sort of a week on from the previous one. We're actually 30 days in to the challenge as of today, pretty much. So 30 days from we listed our first item thereabouts. And I'm happy to say that the progress is pretty good. If we hadn't of signed up for a feature store straight away, which I mentioned in the previous videos, we could have had a basic store, or even if you were a new to eBay seller using a personal account with 300 free listings, if you followed everything that I did, you would be in profit by approximately £70 or so. That is taking into consideration a Prime account and also the lowest Sale Freak subscription, basically. So you would actually be in profit by around that amount. Now, I have probably just about scraped even. Break even, we have made around £88. And unfortunately, a feature store, including VAT, is around £100. But I have VAT registered, so I can claim back 20% of the VAT on the feature store and the fees. So we are actually a little bit in the negative, but we're pretty close to break even. Okay, if I had a basic store, we would probably be around 40 50 pounds of profit. That is month one. Okay, so on a personal account or on a basic store subscription on eBay, we would be in profit. Okay, that was just a bit of a schoolboy error for me. I was planning something different, and then I decided to do this challenge and had to kind of backtrack and didn't really wasn't really able to then cancel and change the subscription. So anyway, long story short, boring. Here we are, and even with that, we're pretty much at break even. Okay, so really positive. We're making 4 or 5 sales a day. We've sold 69 products in total. We have an average sell-through rate of 43% over the last 30 days, which is pretty good, pretty much where I'd want to be. The eBay sales are pretty consistent. We can see here right across the board, we're getting sales every day. We're getting some higher days, we're getting some lower days. We've done £1,800 worth of sales in the last 31 days since we started listing. Absolutely perfect. Our traffic impressions are going up nicely. Our traction is building, and we've still only got 251 items. I did recently increase the amount of items that we're listing per day. I'm trying to go for between 15 and 30 items every single day, so that the store could grow over the next month. This is just moving into month 2. It is going to be busier in November. Things will die off again a little bit in December, the closer we get to Christmas. So it should balance things out and still give us a fair assessment of how the store is doing. Let's just click into promoted listings, see the dashboard there, see how things are performing. Yeah, as you can see, I mean, the traffic is just going up as we list more, and as more traction builds and eBay rank our listings higher, we are building nice traction. So both organic and promoted listings impressions. So everything is moving in the right direction. I can't really fault anything at all. The only thing I'm going to change for today, and I thought about this before doing the video, is I'm going to increase the maximum price. We did have this set at £30. I'm happy to start listing products up to £100 now, because we've got sales, we're building up trust with eBay, we're getting positive feedbacks every single day, we're uploading our track, and our customers are happy, so we can start taking a slightly less risk-averse approach to start listing some higher priced items. Now, I'm going to keep it below £100 for probably the next couple of months. I don't want to take any risk with higher priced items. And to be honest, in dropshipping, most of your sales will come at the lower end anyway. But it is nice to get that, sale of £100 item or £70 item where you're making like £5, £6, £7 profit, which, is the same amount of money maybe that might take you to sell 7 to 10 items that are 50 pence profit or £1 profit or whatever the case may be. So it's nice to get those nice one-hit big profit sales. So I'm going to move that up, and there's more chance of us reaching our quota every single day of listing 15 to 30 items if we have the goalposts moved slightly more apart. It just means we're a bit less restrictive on ourselves. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. We're just going to go back into the dashboard again, just have one more look at the sales and see hopefully where we wanna be in the next 30 days. So I'd certainly like to see, I mean, even over the last 5 days, we've had days where, 2 out of the last 5, not including today, have been over £100. One of them has been £87. So I'd just love to see, more days than not creeping over the £100 per day mark and really go from there. Because next month we're going to have to double our sales in order to get into that profit zone. Now, again, I said when I started this challenge, I wasn't really worried about the first couple of months, but if we can double our sales, cover our costs, then we're going to be looking like £50 to £100 a month if we can get close to that, which doesn't seem like an awful lot for most people, but we are building this thing at the minute from scratch. And then from there, we will kick on. So that is all. Again, really, really positive. I'm just going to keep on listing, keep doing our customer service, keep getting the orders out there, increasing our listings, and hopefully we'll increase the volume and everything with it. As mentioned in the previous video before, if anyone wants to learn with me as a coach, as a mentor, to teach you how to dropship from eBay A to Z, there is a free ebook on my website, which is michaelgarvindropshipping.com. You can pop your name, your email, your phone number in there, get your free copy, get you off and running, finding out more how to dropship, what dropshipping is, how to get your account set up properly. And if you want to take things that step further, we do have packages available on the website. You can get a full course, which is all my A to Z, how I do dropshipping, not just kind of like a basic course, but it tells you how to do everything from customer service to listing plans to advanced how to run multiple accounts. Everything is in there. There's also packages that include one-to-one coaching with myself. And with the gold and platinum packages, you also get into my private Discord group where we have monthly and bi-monthly coaching calls. And you get direct access to me as well if you have any issues. So, as always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next update. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.